In this example, we're going to need to try to make sense of this point 0, 0 in context. To understand what 0, 0 represents, we're just going to start by reading the graph and trying to understand what it means. So the first thing I notice is that this graph actually has a title, Wages of a Kohl's Sales Associate. Wages, that means how much your employer pays you. So you're getting a wage for the work that you do. You're making money for the work that you do. And then I noticed that the x-axis is hours and the y-axis is dollars. So if I wanted to read a couple of these points to try to understand, I could read, all right, 2150. That would mean that if this worker worked for 20 hours at Kohl's, they would make $150. Let me choose another point. So I'm just trying to understand the graph. If this worker worked for 10 hours, they would make $75. Now, we're not trying to just talk about any point we choose along this graph. We actually have to write about the point 0, 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type 0, 0, and then I'm going to start labeling X and Y, and then X is hours, so I'll type hours over here on the left, and then Y is dollars, so I'll type dollars on this side. And then we're going to write a sentence to make sense of this, and it has to include something about the wages of the Kohl's sales associate. So it's about that. So 0 hours and $0. So I could say, if this Kohl's employee works for 0 hours, then this Kohl's employee will earn $0. And this sentence explains what 0, 0 means in context. I included, oh, let me go to Scribble, sorry. I included 0 hours right here, and I included $0 down here, and I used the title to make it specific to this graph in particular. So hopefully that will help you when you're writing your sentence to make sense of a coordinate.